This 2022 CrossRoads Zinger ZR328SB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. This new CrossRoads is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 11, refrigerator, smoke detector, TV antenna, microwave, auxiliary battery, slideout, air conditioning, Skylight, Colorado Detector, external shower, and 51 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 CrossRoads Zinger ZR328SB is 7,756 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Courvelle's RV, visit RVUSA.com.